Don't miss out on this once in a lifetime financial opportunity. What's up, everybody? It's Kerry from Kerry and Me Topics. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button. If you're returning for another one, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Here with another one of my little car rides. Got a little fresh, a little tape up, took it down a little bit. Haircut. Listen, y'all. I'm not in any way no financial consultant or in any way some kind of stockbroker or anything like that. This is a disclaimer. I'm just giving y'all a little financial advice from my side. Got a once in a lifetime opportunity coming up here, and this is like a little different video. And I'll make it short and quick because I can ramble on and on and on and on. But if you've been watching if you're in the stock market or in crypto, any kind of assets, when you're hedging against inflation to try to double your dollar. Coming up, I think in July, you're gonna have the federal. One of the federal meetings that they have when they talk about the inflation rates and whatnot, and I believe they talking about cutting rates because inflation has been up. Well, it's always been up, but it's been real high. The Federal Reserve have been cutting rates and whatnot. I'm driving, so y'all got to pitch with me. They've been they had the rates high, so at so long, that's why all the bills, your gas and everything has been up and whatnot, but we're starting to take off. And if you've been keeping up with it, Donald Trump, he wants Jerome Powell, who's the head of the Federal Reserve, he wants him to cut rates. And I think how things are going, it may happen real soon. And the reason why I say it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, because if you look at some of the things that's going on, you got the stock market, you got all your other little assets and whatnot. But what's different this go around, this government really backs crypto. If you haven't been keeping up with it and whatnot, they're approving crypto regulation and whatnot. They're starting to get all the rules and regulations put together for crypto. And Bitcoin and other assets are going to be part of the stock market and whatnot. They already are, but they're going to make it more accessible. So to the public, because a lot of people really all they do is hear is crypto. They don't know what it is, and they just think it's just another nothing burger. But whether you like it or not, it's going to be part of your life real soon, and it's gonna help with a lot of things in your life. It's gonna be part of a lot of things in your life. I ain't trying to get real too technical because I don't want to lose everybody. But it's just a quick video just to say, if you're not in like the stock market or crypto or anything like that, and it's normally dead in the summer, there's normally not a lot of money to make in the summer, it's a good time to start looking into it and educating yourself on it. And just start slowly getting it. People think you got to have millions of dollars to get in this stuff. You can go in $10, $15, $20. And like even back in 2020, you were here, especially in crypto. I mean, you got to know what you're doing. But some people, you can hear people that put in 20, 30 bucks and made over 100 grand. Some even turn it into millions if you know what you're doing. So it's a good time to start educating yourself. Like I said, I'm not no financial advisor. I'm still educating myself. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I follow a lot of people. If you want to leave a comment, and I could tell you some of the people I watch who's helping me along, because I've been in crypto myself for a few years. I'm not really in the stock market with stocks. I'm more crypto, and it's something to look into because the dollar is getting weaker, and you need something to hedge because inflation always going to be around. And you need something to hedge against inflation, meaning that every time the dollar depreciates, you need something that's gonna keep your money. You're gonna need to be in something that's going to be worth to keep your financial status ahead of that. and whatnot. And like I said, I don't want to lose too many people. I'm trying to word this the right way. I don't want to lose nobody. But just look into it. Even if you just buy general stock, like start anything, just buy something. Because how they're talking, is this going to be a real good time to make some money. Like I said, in July they have a meeting, and if I'm not mistaken, they have another one in September. But if they cut rates in July, you're gonna start seeing some of your bills getting cheaper. If you're in the stock market, you're gonna see that going up. You're gonna be making some money. And I know we got these tariffs going around, but if everything goes as planned and whatnot, it all might just balance itself out. Maybe not. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't beat me up in the comments. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, and a lot of people, especially of color, don't know nothing about this type stuff, and you really need to educate yourself. Because getting on another tangent of my people, we have a tendency, when you get a couple of bucks in your hand, you want to just go quick and spend it and give it back to the companies that are going to keep making money over you, instead of just doing something smart with your money and try to double your money to help yourself and to help your family and your kids and your kids' kids, and try to get some kind of, generational wealth. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I don't want to get too deep because I don't want to lose nobody. So look into it. Like I said, I'm not no stock market guru or nothing like that. I'm just doing a little bit myself. I put a little in here, a little there. I've made some over the years. Not financially free yet, but I'm getting there. I will be there soon. And educate yourself. This YouTube, I told my kids, I told family and friends, this YouTube is something else. I remember when I was growing up, if you wanted information or whatnot, if you didn't listen to the news or read something, you had to go to the library and educate yourself. But now you got to walk in an encyclopedia, the library, these cell phones right in your hand. Anything you want to know, look it up. Educate yourself. There's no excuse, really. There's no excuse. So, like I said, and I'll make a few videos on it to try to keep people abreast of what's going on. But I don't want to make this a financial channel like that. But I do want to just put it in your head, like just keep it in your head, because we thought it was going to crash when he had this issue over there in Iran and Israel, all that. Even though that stuff still popping off, Bitcoin and the stock market, it just is going up. So, and I know that's a whole nother story too, with the inside trading and all that stuff. And man, I could go on and on and on and on. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe, please. I need subscribers. YouTube just hit me something not too long ago. I guess they thought I was a bot or something, so I had to prove who I was and all that. So now my little likes and been slowing down and whatnot. So y'all subscribe, spread my videos. Leave comments, hit that bell, so when I post a video, it come up on your feed, so you can hit it, look, watch it. You know what I'm saying? I like doing it. I got a full 8 to 5. But like I told y'all, I'll be retiring out of that soon, so I would love to be making content on a daily, and just talking with you guys and whatnot. I'm here, I'm home. These videos normally don't last no longer than 6 to 8 minutes. I'll be trying to make them longer. But I dropped my son off to work, and that's about it, man. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Y'all be blessed, stay prayed up. Like the cut, man, little haircut, let the beard grow. So, all right, y'all be blessed.